Now, another thing that you may want to do is you may want to know how to change your printer, and this is quite often the case in many of the lessons. So if you go to File and Print, if you see the printer in here, Adobe PDF, that is not the printer that you would regularly use. What you need to do is select the drop-down menu and choose the printer of the room that you are in. So if you're in B12 today, select the B12 printer. If you are in A11, select the A11 printer. And also, if you need to add the printer in, go to your drop-down menu and go to Add Printer. This will bring up this menu. Now, what you can do is you can type in the name of your room, such as B12, and press Find Now, and you can find the printer that you want. All you need to do then is double-click on it, and that will add the printer for you. And that's just a simple tutorial to show you how to add a printer and how to print your work.